Hey guys, so what we got here is a 42-inch Canarm Mystic Ceiling Fan that I got from my friend's sister's house. It is in white and brass. It is actually dated January 5th, 2014. I was actually wrong about this from being 2001. So yeah. The downrod was shaky when I first got it, but I tightened the set screws and it doesn't shake anymore. Unfortunately, the downrod is crooked. So yeah. But without any further ado, let's get into the demonstration. Here's the light. It is using 3 halogen bulbs, which came with the fan. Okay, anyways, let's start the fan. Here's low. This fan also makes a buzzing noise as well. Yeah, it's getting really loud now. It has a very fast low. I can already feel a breeze from it. Yep, I can feel a bit of a good breeze from it. Low speed is very fast. Okay. Here's medium. Medium is also fast as well. It's already starting to wobble on medium. It actually wobbles quite a bit. It wobbles more on high. Yeah, you can see it on camera. I'm sure in real life it looks like it's wobbling more than it is on camera. You can see the pull chains are shaking. Okay, so here's high. It moves very fast on high. It moves a lot of air. It also moves a good amount of air on medium. But yeah, it's wobbling more on high. You can see the light pull chain shakes a lot. And again, I'm sure in real life it looks like it's wobbling more than it is on camera. But yeah, it's moving a lot of air on high. All right, here's the fan and light on at the same time. Light is bright on camera because one of the lights is shining at the camera. So, yeah. All right, so here's spin down. You guys may notice I'm actually using a camera stand for this video. I actually recently got a camera stand for a phone, so that's what I'm using. So yeah, so I don't need to use my hand anymore to record, which is a good thing. I also got a new phone as well, using my new phone to record this. My first video I used to, my first video I recorded with my new phone was when I showed I got the Mystic. So yeah. I'm actually really glad I got this phone. I got a new phone. It's good than the other one. So yeah, and I'm glad I got a camera stand for it because I always wanted one. So yeah. All right, now time for reverse. Is on a reverse switch. And here it is on high. It wobbles the same way on high reverse that it does on forward. All right, here's medium. The buzzing noise gets louder when it's on medium. Yeah, I think it's louder on medium and low, but when you get it on high, it starts to quiet down a bit, but you can still hear it. It still wobbles a bit on medium reverse. Okay, here's low. Yeah, the buzzing gets louder on low. Yeah, low is very fast on this fan. It almost looks like it's medium. Yeah, I think newer Mystics are better than the older ones because they go faster. But yeah. All right, and here's off. All right, well, that's it for this Canarm Mystic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.